Now we have to discuss on utility and various concepts of utility. What is utility? The one satisfying power of a commodity, we can call it as utility. And there are three concepts in utility, that is total utility, marginal utility and average utility. What do you mean by total utility? All the utilities derived from the consumption of a particular commodity. Come back to this table. There is a consumption of a particular commodity, say X or Y or orange or apple or ice cream. You can imagine what you like. The consumption of that particular good. When we are not consuming anything, there is zero consumption. Total utility, the sum total of the utilities derived from the units of a consumed, units of a particular commodity consumed. Nothing. If you are not consuming anything, no utility, no doubt, right? Then we are consuming 1 unit of a particular commodity. The utility derived from that 1 unit of that particular commodity, that is 4 units. Then what about the increasing the unit, that is 1 to 2. Total utility also increased. 4 to 7. 3 units, 9 total utility. 4 units, 10 units of total utility. 5 units of a particular commodity, 10 units of total utility. 6th unit of the same commodity, 9 is the total utility. Total utility is the sum total of all the utilities derived from all the units of a commodity consumed. That is total utility. Here we can see that when we consume more and more of the same commodity, total utility increasing 4 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 10. Then it becomes constant. There is no change. At this level 4 and 5, there is no change in total utility. Then when we move to the 6th unit of a particular commodity, the total utility start to decline. Here we can see 3 stages in total utility. In the beginning, the total utility increasing, but increasing rate is decreasing, right? This difference, 0, the difference between 4 and 0, 4, then 3, then 2, that is decreasing. Then it came to 10. This level we can see that total utility is same. Here total utility increasing at decreasing rate. At decreasing rate. Then we can see that total utility decreasing, TU decreasing. 3 stages are there in this table, we can see. When consumption increase, total increase. In the beginning, total utility increasing at decreasing rate. Then it become constant. Then it decreasing. I hope you understood. Then we can see that marginal utility. You know what is marginal utility, right? We already studied. I told you. In economics, the term marginal, which means additional. What we are getting additionally? When we consume extra units of a particular commodity or extra utility derived from the extra units of a particular commodity. Here we can see that marginal utility in the beginning, if you are not consuming, nothing is. There is no marginal utility. Then here we can see that for calculating the marginal utility, total utility, if we need to calculate the first units of a commodity consumed, the total utility is 4. Then the difference between the first units of a commodity and the 0 units of a commodity, difference between these two, 4 minus 0, that is 4, that is marginal utility. When we consume 1 more units of or 1 units of for a particular commodity, total utility is 4, 4 minus 0, 4. Then we are consuming second unit of a particular commodity, total utility increased 4 to 7. The difference between 7 and 4, that is 3. 3 is the marginal utility. Then here 2 is the marginal utility. Here 1 is the marginal utility. Then here nothing, 0. 0 is the marginal utility. Then we move to the 6th unit. We can see that 9 minus 10 minus 1 is the marginal utility. So what do you mean by marginal utility? Additional utility derived from the extra units of a commodity. There is a formula for calculating MU. Marginal utility of N, MU N is equal to TUN minus TUN minus 1. This is the formula for calculating marginal utility of a commodity. Here we can see that, for example, we should calculate the marginal utility of the third level of an output or a commodity, and the total utility is 9. Then how can we calculate? We are taking this 9, this level as TUN. The preceding level, that is TUN minus 1. So what is the difference between TUN minus TUN minus 1? 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. That is the marginal utility. So what is the formula for calculating marginal utility? MUN is equal to TUN minus 1. Again we can see here, we can see that relation between this MUN and MU and TU. See this. I told you, when we consume more and more of a particular commodity at a time, total utility increasing first at a decreasing rate, then it constant, then it become false or decreasing. What about MU? When TU increases, MU decreases. MU decreases. MU is decreasing. When TU is constant or same, MU is 0. That is the second level. And third stage we can see that when TU starts to fall, MU becomes negative. These are the three phases we can see in the TU and MU or utility, the concepts of utility. TU and MU. When TU increase, MU decrease. When TU become equal, MU 0. When TU starts falling, MU is negative. One more concept I told you, that is average utility. You know how to calculate average, right? TU divided by N, or number of or units of a commodity consumed. So what is the formula for calculating average utility? AU is equal to TU divided by N. This. That is average utility. Then we can discuss on the relation between this TU, MU and AU with the help of a diagram.